Hello children, hope you have seen the previous video that I have uploaded of the same topic, that is time zone calculation. So here I have few more questions related to the same topic. The question is, if the local time of place A is 6:30 p.m. and longitude is 60° west, what will be the longitude of town B whose local time is 4:30 p.m.? So now here I have drawn the figure. That is to make the question more easy. Whenever this is prime meridian, and when we'll go to west, we'll decrease, we'll do subtraction, and whenever we'll go to east, it will be added. So here in the question it is saying at 60° west it is 6:30 p.m. So as you know, why this calculation I have done, students, to tell you, in the previous video also I have given you the idea that why in maximum of the books the difference is given of 15°, because earth take 1 hour to reach to 15th degree longitude, as it take 24 hours to complete one rotation. So in 1 hour it will move to 15th degree longitude. That's why the difference has been created. Now as you know, the difference between two longitude here is 1 hour. So it is very easy to find on which longitude we have 4:30 p.m. Here at 60° west we have 6:30 p.m. Now at 45° it will be 5:30. Now at 30° it will be 4:30 p.m. Right? So this will be the answer. And one more way is, you can subtract both the times, the difference, or you can, the same thing I'm saying, that you just have to find the difference between between two time, and the timing will be whatsoever. You just have to make a clue that if it is 6:30 and if the time is decreasing, that means it will go to here, right, this side, east side. The next question that we have is, calculate the time in Durban, that is at 30° east, whose time when the time is 7 a.m. in New York, right? And New York is at 75° west. So as it is very clear, whenever we'll move to east, we have to add. So the most easiest way to find out the solution of this question is, if this is 7 a.m., so here it will be east. We are moving east. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is 2 p.m. will be the answer. One more way is, whenever you want to find out 30° plus 75°. These are the two longitude that has been given. It is 105. Since 1 degree equals to 4 minutes, so 105 into 4. What will be the answer? So it will be 420 minutes, and again it is minute, we just have to divide it by 60 so that we can get the answer. So divided by 60, it will be 7 ja 42, so 7 hour. So we just have to move 7 hour forwards, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the difference of 7 hour, it will be coming that at 30° east it will be 2 p.m. Let's move on to the next question. The question is, what is the local time of Singapore, that is at 104° east, when it is 6 p.m. at Greenwich? As earlier what we have discussed in the questions, every time at Greenwich it was 12 noon, but now here at Greenwich, that means at 0° it is 6 p.m. Right, as we know that 1 degree equals to 4 minutes. So now here we have 104°. So 104 into 4. So it will be 416 minutes. Now the next part, the next step that is to be done, that is 416 divided by 60. Right, just to convert it in hour. Then it will be, 6 hour and 56 minutes. Right, so what we have to do, the most important thing that is to be kept in mind is east or west. Whenever we are moving to east, we have to add. So as it is 6 p.m. at Greenwich, so we have to add 6 p.m. plus 6 hour 56 minutes. So it will be 12 hour and 56 minute. So we can write it as 12 to 56, right, am. Sorry, pm. So this is to be kept in mind properly. The last question that we have, if it is 12 noon at Greenwich, calculate the local time of the places located on the following longitude. That is 74 degree west, 105 degree east and 120 degree west. In the previous video, I have solved this kind of question. So it is not very tough, but I'm going to solve it in front of you so that you'll be able to solve by yourself. As the first step that is to be done, that is 1 degree equals to 4 minutes, right? And hence it is 74 degree west. The most important thing here, west means we have to subtract from the time of the Greenwich. And at Greenwich, it is 12 noon. So 74 into 4. The answer will be 296 minutes. Here the answer will be coming in minute. But remember students, when we have to divide, whenever it will be more than 60, just to convert it in hour. The next step, 296 by 60. So for this, it will be 4 hour and 56 minutes. Now, hence it is in west. So 74 degree west. That is at 74 degree west. The timing will be 12 minus 4 hour and 56 minute. Earlier I have told you that for 12, you can write it 1260 and just subtract it 56. So the answer will be 7:04 a.m. Please students, keep in mind at time you are solving the question. For the next we have 105 degree east. Yes, we have to move to east. That means we have to add. So again 1 degree equals to 4 minutes. That is 105 into 4. The answer will be 420 minutes. Now again just convert it in hours. So 420 by 60, it will be 7 hours. Right. So hence it is in east. At Greenwich it was 12. So 12 plus 7, that will be equal to 19. Right. So 19 means 7 p.m. will be the answer. The next question that was there, the third part of the question, 120 degree west, I think it was. Yeah, it was west. So here again 1 degree equals to 4 minutes. So 120 into 4, it will be 480 minutes, right? Again, just convert it in hour by 60. So here it will be 8 hour. Students, again I'm repeating this. Just remember this. Whatever the quotient is coming, that will be written in hour. And if any reminder is coming, just write it in minutes, right? It will be easy for you also. So now, as at Greenwich, it was 12. So 12 noon. So now 12 noon minus 8 hour. So the answer will be 4 a.m. Right? You can write it as 4 a.m. So thank you students, and please solve it. Try to practice, and I request you to draw the longitude and then solve it. Then it will be very easy for you, and I hope this will help you out. Right? Thank you so much.